Hello, this is Lino Tadros, and in this video I'll show you how to change the symbol of the stars in reviews inside of Sitefinity itself. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, notice if I go to my pages in here, I already have a blog widget on the home page, and I've actually turned on reviews on that specific widget, and you'll notice here the default is these 5 stars in here. So if you go to review, you'll be able to give 1 star, 2 star, all the way to 5 stars. And if you want to know how to turn that on, there is another video associated with this specific video in the library that you can take a look at how we did that. But for right now, what if you want to change this? Maybe you don't want to use stars. Maybe you're doing something like a movie review and you want to put movie symbols, or you want to put hearts, or you want to put musical symbols, or something like that. Where do you make that change? Well, let's go out of here a little bit and we'll go to Visual Studio. And you're usually going to do this in the resource packages, or you can do it in the MVC views and change the view itself in here. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the resource package under MVC views. These are all the different MVC widgets that we have. I'm looking for one that says reviews. There it is. And you will notice there are 2 of them in here, reviews default and reviews count default. As a matter of fact, the change that I'm going to be doing right now has to happen in both of them for this to work everywhere. So let's go ahead and open up the reviews default. There will be a lot of code in here. You don't have to worry about that. Usually you have to go all the way down to this file right before the injection of the JavaScript. And you look for something called data SF role rating template. You're looking always for something called rating template. And you will notice in here, it's coming in and putting a symbol. This 9733 is the HTML symbol for a star. So as a matter of fact, if I want to get a heart, and you can of course look into Google to find out the table for all the different symbols available in HTML. I'm going to change it from 9733. Let's go ahead and paste another number in here, which is 9829. It's not enough though. You'll have to change this in the review count. It's the same exact area. Go all the way to the bottom. Again in the rating template, and we'll change this 9733 and we'll paste here this one. And this is the symbol for the heart. I'm going to save all. You don't even need to recompile because the change is only in the CS HTML file. So the Razor syntax will fix it. You just have to refresh this page and hopefully we will see hearts instead of stars at this point. All right, it's compiling the CS HTML, and then you can see hearts showed up here right away. Isn't that pretty cool? I'll do one more so that you can see it. I went to the internet and looked for the code for a telephone, for instance, and it's 9742. So let's go ahead and get a telephone in case you're doing something for technical support or something like that. I'm going to remove the 9829 and we'll put in 9742. And we'll change it also in the other CS HTML file, and we'll save all. Let's go back in here and see if refreshing this will give us the rating. So you can give me 1 phone, 2 phone, or 5 phones based on my support inside of there. And there is the phone right there. It's available for reviews. So it's pretty easy, pretty simple. Just find a symbol that you like. Maybe you're doing a musical website or a movie website and you'd like to use, for instance, something related to that instead of the stars. You are more than welcome to do that. Hopefully this was useful to you, and see you again soon in another video on Lino TV. Thank you.